The NutriChef 12-inch professional ceramic frying pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It's large, so you can cook a lot of food at once. The golden titanium handle adds a touch of beauty. Plus, the non-stick ceramic coating is like a superhero against stuck-on food. Cleaning is super easy because food slides right off. This pan is ideal for making everything from eggs to fish. It feels sturdy and well made. Not flimsy at all. This NutriChef 12-inch professional ceramic frying pan makes cooking simpler. The 12-inch size offers plenty of space. You can easily flip pancakes or stir-fry vegetables. The non-stick surface means you use less oil. That's good for your health and makes cleanup a breeze. No more scrubbing stubborn food bits. This pan is also stain-resistant, so you don't have to worry about messy cooking leaving its mark. It's a reliable tool for everyday home cooking. For anyone looking for a dependable skillet, the NutriChef 12-inch professional ceramic frying pan is a solid choice. It heats evenly, so your food cooks just right. The lid helps trap heat and moisture, which is great for cooking things like chicken or simmering sauces. While it doesn't come with bonus items or granite accents, its core function is excellent. It's a workhorse in the kitchen, not involved in any kitchen shenanigans. If you need a good, basic frying pan, this one won't disappoint. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: large skillet, with lid, golden handle, non-stick, ceramic coating, stain-resistant, easy to clean, ideal for home, professional 12-inch. Cons: may lose non-stick over time, can be less durable than others, risk of chipping the coating. Lower heat tolerance sometimes, not always ideal for high heat, some users report sticking later. Handle might get hot, lid might not fit perfectly, cleaning could still require care, price might be higher than basic pans. Features: 12-inch size, professional grade, ceramic material, includes a lid, large skillet, golden handle, titanium handle, non-stick coating, stain-resistant, easy to clean. The NutriChef 12-inch professional ceramic frying pan with lid is a large skillet designed for easy home cooking. It has a non-stick ceramic coating, which means food won't stick and it's simple to clean. The pan also has a golden titanium handle that is comfortable to hold. It's stain-resistant and comes with a lid, making it a good choice for everyday meals. This NutriChef 12-inch frying pan is a large, lidded skillet designed for home cooking. It has a non-stick ceramic coating and a golden titanium handle. The pan is stain-resistant and easy to clean, making it a professional-style option for your kitchen. However, the non-stick ability may decrease over time, and it might not be as tough as other pans. There's also a chance the coating could chip, and it might not handle very high heat well. Some users have noticed food sticking later on, and the handle could get hot. The lid might not always fit perfectly, and cleaning might still need some care. Keep in mind that this pan might cost more than simpler options.